I'm back. In this final part 3, we will try to edit the questions, right? We can add the number of questions, and also we can change the questions and the options as much as you like. Okay, let's get into the code editors right here. Okay, we find randomized questions here, randomized questions, and we will change this. Okay, number one, question number one, for example, I'll give the answer for the easy questions for like mathematics questions. 1 plus 1 equal to blah blah blah, and the answer is, the correct answer is 2, and the wrong answer is 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, and then question number, I'm sorry, I have wrong here, sorry, it's not, it shouldn't be here, yeah, this one. 1 plus 1 equal to blah blah blah. Right, the correct answer is option A. I always put the correct answers on pilihan A or option A. Okay, move on to question number 2. For example, 2 plus 2 equal to 4, and then 3, 2, 1, and here could be a 0, right? Move on to question number 3. 3 plus 2 equal to 5, the correct answers, and then we continue to the wrong answers. 4, 3, 2. You can edit any answers, yeah, just as you like, want. Okay, question number 4. 5 times 2 equal to, yeah, times here should be like this one. Okay, the correct answer is 10, and then 20, 15, any numbers is not correct, 6 or 80. Okay, and then question number 5. 8 divided by 2 equal to, the correct answer is 4. 4. My computer is slowing down. 4, 2, 7, 2 could be 0. For example, if you want to add more questions, so you just copy the last questions, right? Copy the last questions. For example, we want to add one more questions, and then we add the numbers by 1, 6, and then we can change the questions. Example here, 5 minus 4 equal to, the correct answer is 1. Okay, and we also need to change here on the top of this code, the biggest number here is 6, should be 6. Okay, let's find out. The biggest number should be 6 because the total questions is 6. Right, let's check. Okay, starting from group A, for example, yeah, we should be, for example, okay, like this one. 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Okay, 100. And group C, 3 plus 2 equal to 5. Correct answers. Group A, 2 plus 2 equal to 0. For instance, they give the wrong answers. Okay, so wrong answers 15. And then question number 4, 8 divided by 2 equals to 4. Correct answers. And then the last questions, 5 times 2 equal to correct answers. Wrong answer, for example, 6. Right. Oh, until 6 questions. 5 minus 4 equal to 1. Okay, quiz finished. So the winner is group B. Okay, we start from group B. Okay, I think that's it for these tutorials. The next part, yeah, you can design the pictures or the background or the shapes, any shape you like, any colors you like, any design you like. But the most important things, do not change these options. I mean the positions. You should not change this position. For example, you want to drag up, to drag to the right side like this. It won't work. It will not work if you change the positions here. Okay, first let's check. Okay, go back to right, but no, it works. It still work. Yeah, still works. Oh yeah, still works because I have automatically put code set objects here. When I click start, set position, so they go back to the original positions. It is original positions. Okay, so it's okay. If you drag anywhere you like, for example over here, it will go back to the original positions. Still go back to original position. For example, like this, go back to the original positions. So it's okay. You just coloring the backgrounds, or you can add any item here. You can move up here, move up or downs, or open here. It's okay. It won't affect the quiz. Still work. Yeah, still work. Okay, I think that's it. Thank you.